What's so great about the Bosch Professional 18V system? Compatibility. All our 18V batteries can be used with all our 18V tools since 2008. Even better, you can use all our batteries with many more expert brands thanks to the AmpShare Battery Alliance. Leading battery technology. You can count on our most powerful batteries, ProCore 18V, for exceptionally long lifetimes and run times. To help save you time, we also have the world's fastest 18V charger. With over 80 million batteries sold, the Professional 18V system is the cordless system you can build on. A huge tool portfolio. From the lightest to the toughest demands, we have a wide range of 18V tools, all within the same system. And this is 18V with power. Our most powerful cordless tools, BiTurbo brushless, unleash up to 2,000 watts of power with just one ProCore 18V battery. No point having power you can't control. Our tools come with the latest safety features. For example, kickback control, drop control, vibration control. So you have the tools that are built with you in mind. Of course, they are also built with the toughest jobs in mind. Don't believe us? We'll guarantee it. You can extend the guarantee of your tool, or battery, or charger to 3 years, totally free of charge. Easy mobility. Our L-Box cases can be customized to fit all your equipment and are compatible with Sourcemo vehicles. Easy to carry, easy to stack, easy to stay on the move. That's the Professional 18V system. One system, unlimited potential.